Hidden in Slovenia in a town of Poljčane is located a small alpaca ranch. We signed up for an individual tour which lasted 2 hours. The tour is made up of 3 parts. First, we got to see the ranch and meet the alpacas and some goats as well. We paid 15 euros per person to spend a few hours on the farm. After feeding and spending some time with the alpacas, we created our own unique felted soap using alpaca's wool. The process is very simple and quick. We took some of the alpaca's wool, spread it out just enough to see through it, and wrapped it around the soap. I used 3 different colors to make it look more fun. We then placed it into a nylon knee-high and put it in water. Using our hands, we began to gently work the water in, took it out of the nylon and left it to dry. At the end of the tour, we also got a plate of delicious food.